Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Irene Amedinyato from Irene Consulting Firm. Today we are diving into the 6 money habits that might be keeping you from effectively managing your finances. So whether you are running a business or managing your personal finances, these insights are crucial for anyone looking to improve the financial health. Stay tuned. Bad habit is not budgeting. Without a budget, tracking income and expenses become a guessing game. Let us break down how to set up a simple budget using a spreadsheet or a budgeting app. Now let's talk about small expenses. It's easy to overlook that daily coffee, but small purchases add up quickly. And here is how tracking every dime can give you surprising insight into your spending pattern. Habit number 3 is not saving regularly. Whether it's a small amount each month or a percentage of your income, regular saving contributes to financial security. Let us look at some tools that can automate this process for you. Making late payment is a habit that can hurt your credit score severely. Setting up automated payment can help you stay on track. And I will show you a quick setup guide for automating your monthly bills. Emotional spending can derail the best of budgets. Recognizing triggers and setting boundaries for discretionary spending is the key. And here are some strategies to help you manage emotional spending. And finally, the 6th habit is not investing in financial education. Staying informed about financial management technique is crucial, and I will share some valuable resources that can enhance your financial literacy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more tips on managing your finances. Remember, managing your finances well starts with changing habits. So start today and see the difference. Until next time, keep your finances in check and your goal in sight. Bye for now.